Hello, garden buddies. Oh, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing well. And those are pretty. Welcome back to the garden. Thank you for stopping by. Today I want to do a real quick video. I picked up a bunch of bulbs, half price. And if you're needing bulbs, I think they still have, this is an online service that's in Ohio. So I was able to go, place my order online. Then I could just go pick them up instead of having them shipped. But there's shipping coming. They'll ship them, so you can go online. It's called Bluestone Perennials. Now, I didn't make any arrangements with them or anything, but if you tell them that I sent you, we may in the future. I don't know, but I didn't say anything to them. But it's called Bluestone Perennials. And right now they have their bulbs half price. And I got several bulbs. I mean, a bunch. So this is the first little grouping of them. This is a daffodil called Extravaganza. And they're good, healthy bulbs. And actually, there's 2 of the 5 in this package are doubles already. So got an few extras. I already have my holes dug with the auger. And I've got some biotone, or not biotone, but some bulb tone put in the hole. So we're just going to go ahead and put these in. And we'll get see these next spring. Some people I noticed didn't, they're planting bulbs to them is kind of anticlimactic, and I get that because you do all this planting, but there's nothing there to show until the spring. But I'm putting these here with this these dressed up evening gown heucheras in a little clump. These 5 because they have that orange, and I'm thinking these colors in the spring will do well together. So there, that was easy peasy, man. Piece of cake getting those 5 in. Quick little video. It's going to be, this is the way I'm going to do some videos here in the next few days, is with all these bulbs I purchased, picked up at half price. Again, Bluestone, that's one word, Bluestone Perennials. It's in Madison, Ohio, Northeast Ohio. It's an online service. And at the moment, they're running their bulbs half price, or they did. I ordered these Friday, went and picked them up Monday. This is Wednesday, getting started with the first group of them. So thanks for stopping by. We'll be doing some bulbs here. And tomorrow we'll probably do more than just 5, but I'm going to space them out so I can do quick videos. You guys can watch these videos real quick and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. I hope you got in your garden today. And if not, I hope I gave you some garden enjoyment. And please, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And have a great evening. Arrivederci.